Welcome to Blender Geometry Notes course, Boats. In this course, we will explore how to use Blender's powerful Geometry Node system to craft a detailed boat hull from scratch. You will learn to use lofting techniques, create intricate curve-based designs, and transform them into a complete 3D mesh. By the end of this course, you will have the tools and techniques to create your own customizable boat hulls for use in games, animations, or stunning 3D scenes. We will start by diving into the lofting technique, which allows us to use curves to shape the base of the boat. You will begin by creating the repeat zone in Geometry Nodes and using a Bezier segment to define the boat's profile. By combining the map range and parameter values, we will gain precise control over the shape of the curve. Once we've crafted the base curve, we will convert it into a mesh and then transform it into a fully realized 3D model. As we progress, we will delve deeper into procedural techniques by saving UV data as attributes, preparing the model for advanced material shaders. This ensures that your boat hull is not only structurally sound, but also visually stunning with materials that fit seamlessly. Next, we will create a secondary Geometry Node setup to add supports for the boat. You will learn to control the curve's tilt and shape with precision. Using curve tangent information, we will offset the curve shape to generate vertical beams along the boat's edges. By reusing the support curve as a node group, you will quickly and efficiently construct the foundational structure of the boat. We will take things further by reusing the curve to supports group to design the border timber running around the boat. Then, we will craft a boat's keel, the central beam that provides structural integrity and aesthetic detail. This step will include offsetting the keel's shape from the initial boat structure and controlling its radial thickness for decorative purposes. Throughout the course, we will focus on creating reusable node groups, ensuring your workflow is both efficient and flexible. These reusable setups will allow you to quickly iterate on designs and make adjustments to the boat's shape, supports, and decorative elements with ease. If you are interested in mastering other aspects of Blender Geometry Nodes, check out our Blender Geometry Nodes for Beginners procedural bridge generator. This course is perfect for 3D artists, game developers, or anyone looking to create customizable bridges for their project. You will learn how to design professional bridges with adjustable features like width, height, railings, and more, all while sharpening your procedural modeling skills. Don't miss out our Blender Geometry Nodes for Beginners Foliage Scatter. This class is designed to help you create lush, vibrant landscapes filled with grass, flowers, and other foliage. Whether you are new to Blender or an experienced user, this course will guide you in scattering vegetation across any surface, bringing your 3D environments to life. So why learn with 3D Tutor? We know complete courses on Geometry Nodes can be tough to find, and we are proud to be among the most experienced instructors in this field. With 45 Geometry Node tools, 6 specialized courses, and rating 4.5+ across the board, we've proven our commitment to quality. We don't just teach Geometry Nodes, we develop professional pipelines for real-world projects, ensuring you are learning workflows that are both powerful and industry relevant. By the end of this course, you will have a thorough understanding of how to use Blender's Geometry Node system to create a procedural boat hull, complete with detailed supports and customizable elements. Whether you are working on a stylized project or aiming for realism, this course will equip you with the skills to bring your creative vision to life. Enroll now and start building your own procedural boats in Blender.